If you want to update your TOZO Crystal Pods, then what you need to do is you need to install the TOZO app first on your smartphone. So you need to go to the App Store or Play Store, find the TOZO app, and then of course install it. After that, once you pair your earbuds with your smartphone, and you also do that in the app, you should be able to see this screen over here. And then you can tap this setting gear in the top right corner, and then we have the OTA update. You need to tap on it. In here, we can see that we have a new version available, and we need to press this update button in order to update the firmware. So let's press confirm. Now, of course, we need to wait for the download and installation of the update. This, of course, depends on our device and the internet speed. But here we can also read that the upgrade process takes about 10 minutes, which probably in reality takes a little bit less than that. And there are also some tips, like we should keep our earbuds close to our phone during the update. We shouldn't lock the screen or leave the app while we do this. And we should also keep the earbuds outside of the charging base, so outside of the case, when we are updating them. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!